It's a program that is benefiting 5 sub-counties in our country. And we are very happy that in Garissa we have 3 sub-counties that are benefiting. And these are the sub-counties of Fafi, Dadaab and Lagdera.
Hii mambo ya bottom up mnasikianga. Hii bottom up ni hii. Unajua tuseme ukweli. Bottom up umesikia ambayo tanga wanatumianga. Ni hii ambayo inaitwa bottom up. Na nani ameleta ni rais yetu ameleta kutoka nchi.
During this drought, water is a big problem. We appreciate the efforts of the county government of Garissa and the other county governments in northern Kenya who have already started water tracking during this drought season. And today we are happy to announce that the government will be extending a helping hand of another 500 million shillings.